Welcome to our YouTube channel One Job Discovery. The topic going look today is average. So now let's start. Average is equal to sum of observation number, right? Divide total number of observation Suppose number is 25, 22, 27, 28. So 25 plus 22 plus 27 plus 28 will be sum of observation and total number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4. So divide 4. Total sum of total number divide 4, right? So now let's start question number 1. Question number 1. Find the average of the series 312, 162, 132, 142 and 122. 312, 162, 132, 142 and 122, right? So average is equal to sum of observation 312, 162, 132, 142, 122. So sum of observation 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. 0, 6, 6, 3, 9, 9, 6, 15, 15 ones 16 and 1 carry 1 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 plus 3 is 7 and 1 carry 8. So sum of observation is 870. Total number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divide 5. Average is equal to sum of observation by divide 5. Total number of observation. Now see here. 5 1 ja 5 carry 3. 5 7 ja 35, right? So carry 2. 5 4 ja 20. So average is equal to 174. Means option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 2. For 9 innings, Bowman has an average of 75 runs. In the 10th inning, he scores 100 runs, thus increasing his average. His new average is. For 9 innings, Bowman has an average of 75 runs. In 10th inning, he scored 100 runs. So our target to find what is his new average. So now see here. In 9 innings, Bowman has average is runs of average 75. In 10 innings, his average, his scored 100 runs. So 9 innings average is 75. Total runs will be in 9 innings 9 5 ja 45 and 9 7 ja 63. 63 plus 4 will be 63 plus 4 will be 7. So total runs in 9 innings 675 and 10 innings he scored 100. So total will be 5, 7 and 7. Our target to find what is his average. So average will be 10 innings means total sum of total observation and number of total observation. So 7, 7, 5 by 10. So will be average is equal to 775 by 10. So 7.5. So this is the new average of Bowman's. So option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 3. The average age of A, B and C was 25 years and that of P and C was 25 years. Age present age is. The average age of A, B and C was 25 years. That of B and C was 25 years. Our target to find what is the age present age is. So now see here. A, B and C. A plus B plus C average age is 25 is equal to 25. There are 3 men A, B and C. So divide 3. So A plus B plus C is equal to 25 into 3. 75. Now in the question B and C was 25 years. B plus C average is 25. So there are 2 men. So B plus C will be 2 into 25. 50 years. Now see here. B plus C is 25. Total A, B and C is 75. So B plus C is 50 years. Our target to find what is A. So A is equal to 75 minus B plus C. This is plus, there will be minus, right? B plus C. And we know that B plus C is equal to 50. So A is equal to 75 minus 50, right? So answer will be, so A present age is 25 years, means option C is the correct answer. Question number 4. For 9 innings, Roman has average of 65 runs. In the 10th inning, he scores 200 runs. Thus increase his average. His average increased by. Our target to find what is his new average. So now see here. In 9 innings, Roman has, in 9 innings, Roman has 65 runs. 9 innings 65. So total runs will be 9 into 65, right? So 5 9 ja 45. Remainder 4. 6 9 ja 54. 54 plus 4 will be 58. So his score is in 9 innings 585. In 10 innings he scores 200. So plus 10 innings plus 100, right? So it will be 5, 8 and 6. Now our target to find what is his new average. So 685 by 10 innings. So average will be, average is equal to 68.5, right? 68.5. So our answer is 68.8.5. Sorry, his last inning was 200, right? So here will be 785, right? So also here will be 785, and his score new average is equal to 78.5, right? So option, which option is the correct? Option A is the correct. Option A is the correct, right? Move to next question. Thanks for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So thanks for watching this.